having us here, Rick, on Ark Island for the last 5 days. How came that you reached out to us to help you here?
The thing is, we had purchased a piece of your equipment long ago, and it had been peer reviewed. We thought it was highly appropriate for the work we do here on the island. And then as you continue to make technological progress in terms of, adapting your sensors to the needs we require here, I think it was a perfect fit. We reached out to you. You were kind enough to offer your services, and so the invite was issued. You accepted, and I can't say anything but thank you. I think this is going to be a great asset to our continued understanding of this incredible mystery. And the only way to do it is to apply technology, expertise, and patience. Because the one thing you have advised us in the war room meetings we've had to date is be patient. Let the data talk, and with your gracious offer of continued support, I think we're going to make progress here in terms of understanding this very complex and very intriguing mystery. And I think we all look forward to your continued support. So again,
thank you so much, Rick, for having us. We're looking forward to working together with you in the future to solving the mystery here on Ark Island. So good luck for all your research and your treasure hunting. And thanks for having us.
You're very welcome.